The live stream information about coronavirus globally. This link is live stream of coronavirus information. https://www.covidvisualizer.com/ Please click on the link. You will see a globe. Touch on the map. You will know how many cases infected by coronavirus. Coronavirus new restrictions in UK. Prime Minister Boris Johnson announces with tough nationwide lockdown to tackle the outbreak. Tuesday newspapers. UK under arrest as PM ends Freedom. Tuesday newspaper. Britain lockdown. Tuesday newspaper. UK house arrest. Tuesday newspaper. Stay at home. All newspapers stay at home. For 3 weeks, all non-essential shops are closed. If you don't follow the rule, the police have powers to enforce stay-at-home complaints. Police will be able to give out fines and break up gatherings. People will be allowed to leave their homes for limited purposes. Parks will remain open. People are only allowed to go out to exercise. And gathering limited to 2 people. Travel to work should only be taken when absolutely necessary. This is very clear. People will go to work if they cannot work from home. Businesses that will not close, like health shop and pharmacies. Petrol station will remain open. Garages and car rental will remain open. Hardware shops will remain open. Laundrette and dry cleaning shops will remain open. Pet shops, corner shops and newsagents will remain open. Post offices will remain open. Banks will remain open. Community centers will be allowed to remain open. For essential voluntary or public services, such as food banks or service for homeless people. Leave home only for 1 form of exercise a day, walking, running or cycle. Real challenge for police forces. They are facing high number of phone calls for seeking clarification on the new restrictions. This is very simple. Please watch this video again and again for any confusion. All the information is here. Leave home only for any medical need, care for vulnerable person only. Please use food delivery services where you can. Stay at home. Leave home only for traveling to and from work, if absolutely necessary. Important information. For Uber drivers, taxi drivers. Uber drivers, taxi drivers are at high risk of catching coronavirus. And becoming seriously ill. Uber drivers, taxi drivers. Please be aware of the consequences. Please take precautions. Uber drivers, taxi drivers are seriously affected. For example, you are working in a warehouse, like carpet, furniture, electronics, spare parts or factories etc. They need to stay at home. If you are working in a shop of non-essential goods, please do not go, stay at home. Do not take risk. If you are alive you will earn live and enjoy, life is very precious. Stay at home. All shops are closed. Those selling non-essential goods, such as clothing, electronic stores. All other premises are closed, including libraries, playgrounds, outdoor gyms and places of worship. All social events are stopped, including weddings, baptisms and other ceremonies. But excluding funerals. But gathering will be dispersed. The damage disruption is doing to the people's lives, businesses and their jobs. But life is more important. We need to follow these rules. Because there is no easy option. You should not be meeting family members who do not live in your home. Stay at home. Avoid gatherings with friends and family even in parks. Stay at home. Citizens would face fines if they fail to comply with government new rules. Stay at home. If it spread more and more, UK don't have enough space in hospitals. So please stay at home. No enough beds in hospital to accommodate infected people. Stay at home. Please leave the house only for basic necessities or emergency to stop the disease spreading in the household. Stay at home. The way ahead is hard. Stay at home. Number of cases are rising high day by day. Stay at home. Simple instruction by PM Boris Johnson. Please follow. Stay at home. NHS is strengthening pioneer work on vaccine tackling to the invisible killer. Stay at home. Join together. Please rise to the challenge together and stay together. Stay at home. Let us all follow the rules and be safe. Those traveling on the train, please stay 2 meters away. The government is running more tube train services to be safe. NHS, with rise in the coronavirus cases. A new temporary hospitals for 4,000 patients will open next week. All student nurses are coming to serve the NHS. Until now, 422 people have died after contracting COVID-19. 8,077 people test positive for COVID-19. Government is seeking 250,000 volunteers to help NHS. God will protect us. Be safe.